So you're thinking about buying land in the Catskill Mountains? It's an exciting step, whether you're dreaming of a weekend getaway cabin, or forever home, or just a peaceful escape. But before you lace up your hiking boots and walk a property, there are some really important steps to take that can save you time and surprises down the road. Let me walk you through them. First, do your research from home. Pull up the parcel on Google Maps to get a feel for what's around it. Are there neighbors close by? Is there a highway nearby that might bring in more traffic noise than you'd like? A little digital digging can give you a much clearer picture before you set foot on the land. Next, ask your agent to send you an elevation map. This will show you how sloped the land is. A gentle slope might be perfect for a walkout basement, while a steep hillside could mean more challenges and costs when it comes to building. Pay close attention to road access. Is your parcel on a town, county, or state-maintained road, or is it on a private road? If it's private, you'll want to know if the road gets plowed in the winter, who maintains it, and if there are annual fees for upkeep. This is one of those small details that can make a big difference once you actually own the land. When you go out with your agent to walk the land, make sure to use a boundary app like OnX to see where the property lines are. Pro tip, download the map for offline use before you get there. Cell service can be spotty in the mountains. And if you're planning to build, take a look around for electric poles and find out which electric company services the area. That'll give you a sense of how easy or expensive it might be to bring power to your site. Okay, let's say you found the right piece of land. Now what? The first step in the purchase process is often a perk test. This test checks whether the soil can support a septic system and which type. Since most Catskill parcels rely on a private septic system and a drilled well, the perk test is a crucial step to know what's possible on your land. Buying land in the Catskills is all about dreaming big, but it's also about knowing the details. With the right prep work and a great agent by your side, you'll be well on your way to making your Catskills land dreams a reality.